Hi everyone, my name is Tammy Shia and I've been an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for 18 years. My small craft business is Be Creative Stamping. I'm delighted that you joined me today. I'm happy to share my annual In Color product share box. This product share is a sampling of the upcoming 2026 to 2028 In Color products. They will debut in the Stampin' Up! May to August catalog on Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. So let's get started. I'll show you all the new products you'll receive in my exclusive product share. First, you'll notice that the product share is enclosed in a 12-inch by 12-inch pizza style box. It also includes a label, making it easy to identify and keep organized. The compact, self-contained design gives its own dedicated space, making it functional for craft spaces of any size. When the box is opened, you'll notice a sampling of product. Let's start with the embellishments. You'll receive a half package of the In Color butterflies. That's 90 butterfly embellishments. You'll also receive a half package of the In Color dots. That's 60 dots embellishments. Notice that both embellishments have the name of the embellishment as well as the item number, and that makes it easy for reordering. You'll also notice our 5 brilliant new In Colors: Barely Blush, Crisp Cantaloupe, Golden Glow, Hydrangea Hue, and Peaceful Pine. You'll receive 2.5 yards of each color, giving you 12.5 yards of ribbon. Notice that the name of the ribbon is labeled as well as the item number. Again, it's for easy reordering. Now it's time to get a sneak peek of the paper. You'll receive 20 standard cardstock bases. They are already scored and cut for you. You'll receive 4 of each color, again giving you 20 standard cardstock bases. You'll also receive this 6-inch by 12-inch pearlized specialty paper. You'll receive 1 of each color. You'll also find the 12-inch by 12-inch two-tone cardstock. You'll receive 10 sheets. So that's going to be 2 sheets of each color. And in case that's not enough paper for you, we've got the Painted Patterns designer paper. You're going to receive 2 of each color, giving you a total of 10 sheets. These are double-sided designs. Now, my exclusive product share box would not be complete without the free gifts. You'll receive an Inkspiration color palette. This will already be stamped for you because this is for your display area. Whether you craft at a desk or a table or in a large craft room, you can display this. It'll give you wonderful In Color inspiration throughout the year. It's also on an easel, so it will stand up. You'll also receive my 2026-28 Stampin' Up! In Color Coach. It will display all 5 new In Colors and the coordination for all 4 of our color groups, including subtles, brights, regals, and neutrals. And the biggest and best free gift is a free class with me. The class will be recorded and we will be using the Exciting Times bundle. you'll receive 5 cards that we will create together. So, are you ready to sign up? I hope so. Let's share this amazing product, all these beautiful colors for the next 2 years. So, where do you sign up and what's the product share fee? So, the product share fee is $65 plus priority mail shipping. I like to use priority mail so that I can track the package for you and let you know when it's going to arrive. I've created a Google form that you simply complete right now. I will not bill you until Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. Now you can find the link to that Google form right under this YouTube video. Just look in the description. You can also message me on Facebook on my Be Creative Stamping Facebook page. And you can also email me with any additional questions or information needed. My email is tammy@becreativestamping.com. I hope you'll take advantage of this exclusive product share box. Join me this year and let's create together. Thanks so much.